Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your sterling insurance. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are two methods by which you can cancel your sterling insurance policy. The first one is like very easy and the second one is like little bit hard. Okay, so first of all you need to contact with their customer support team, and the phone number you can easily get on their official website, and you just need to simply type like sterling insurance contact information and you can get the phone number very easily. Okay, and once you get connected with the customer support team, you can tell them that you wish to cancel your insurance, and they will guide you each and everything, and they will ask you some questions related to your policy, and they will cancel your policy after asking some questions and after verification. Okay, now let's talk about the second thing. The second thing is like via email address. So you need to compose an email. You can see this is the email format for cancellation of insurance, and you need to compose an email, a proper email, and in the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once you complete this you can say like format, you need to send this email at their physical email address. Okay, so where you can get the email address you can also get by using the how to cancel sterling insurance email address. You need to type this thing and you can get this email address very easily, like contact us at the rate sterlingcar.co.uk. You can get this email very easily on their official website also. Okay, and you can send this email at their email address, and once they receive your email they will cancel your subscription. But make sure when you try to cancel your you can say like insurance, you need to send the email with the registered email ID. Okay, so this is the email format. You can say like this is the method by which you can cancel your sterling insurance. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.